स्पोर्ट में हर दिन आपका अच्छा नहीं जाता, हर दिन अच्छा नहीं जाता, लेकिन कोशिश हमेशा वो रखनी है कि आप हर दिन के अच्छा जाए, उसके लिए मौका दो। वो मौका क्या होता है? माइंडसेट से रेडी। डाउट भी नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि डाउट करोगे तो आप अपने आप को मौका ही नहीं दोगे। रोज आके आपको दिमाग में हो रहा है कि मैं बेटर बनूंगा, यहाँ से मैं बेटर जाऊंगा, यहाँ से मैं बेटर जाऊंगा। ना आसमान पे जाना है, ना जमीन के अंदर जाना है, अपने जमीन पे रहो।
People who don't struggle, actually, I feel very bad for them. Yeah, I do, because how are you going to fight when there is a challenging situation which comes in your life? You're not conditioned to fight.
Yeah.
You know, like I feel like I'm conditioned to fight anything. I can survive, I can fight, I can take hard stuff on my chin, I can, grow a thick skin when I need to. I can back myself when nobody believes in me, and all that happened at a very early stage in my life.
Yeah.
Because of the way that, my life panned out. And I feel those are the fundamental building blocks which have allowed me to or helped me to survive for 20 years.
कोई भी तुमको ये बात बोले कि money is not important, money can't buy you happiness, ये सब बातें जो है ना, ये तकियानुसी और जो बोलते हैं अच्छे दिल से बोलते होंगे, but I tell everyone, don't become a philosopher before you're rich.
If 50,000 people in the stadium feel like it cannot be done, I would challenge myself to say it can be done. When I step onto the field, I have to believe that I'm the best. Because my mindset, as I said, was very clear from the first time I started playing this game. I'm not going to allow anyone to think that I'm just a pushover on the field. It's not to disrespect anyone, but it's belief in my own abilities. That fine, you have the ball in hand, but if you get it wrong, you're getting hit for runs. And I'm going to stand here all day. If you get me out and you bowl a great spell, hats off to you. But the next time I'm going to be here again. So make sure that you bring your A game. And that's the mindset that I try and get into invariably.
Number one, leader must have a vision. Without a vision, you will not be a leader, he or she. So leader must have a vision. The second one, leader must be able to travel into an unexplored path. Normally tendency to travel the, well laid out path. But the leader, he takes a path of untraveled path. Third thing, leader must know how to manage success, most importantly the failure. Any mission he does or she does, so he has to go through some failure. They should know how to manage the failures.
Can you read the quote once more? When you pray for rain, you got to deal with the mud too.
जो लोग आपको बोलते हैं ना कि कोई एग्जाम्पल दिखा जिसने कर दिया हो, तेरे अंदर है नहीं, कितने हजारों की भीड़ है, तू ही क्यों वैसे वेस्ट कर रहा है, उन लोगों को ना एक कान से सुनने का दूसरे कान से निकालने का। अपने दिल की सुनो और उनको ये बोलो कि तो मैं पहला इंसान क्यों नहीं बन सकता। तो आई थिंक वो आपको अपने ऊपर बिलीव होना चाहिए, और अगर नहीं है तो आपको लाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आपको अपने ऊपर बिलीव है ना तो आप कुछ भी कर लोगे।
It's very important that you love yourself.
First, love yourself.
खुद से प्यार करो, खुद को खुश रखने की कोशिश करो।
I think you'll be a great friend if you are in love with yourself. That's what I believe.
अपने आप को प्यार करो सबसे पहले। जब जहाज भी ट्रैवलर्स करता है वो कहते पहले अपनी बेल्ट बुल्ट ला के जेड़ा ऊपर तो बास कौड़ा ना पहले आप दे लाओ फिर लाओ किसी और की। तो फर्स्ट लव योरसेल्फ।
So self-love is the first and purest form of love. So you will respect the other person, you will treat the other person, but don't depend on anybody. Don't wait for people to do things, and don't expect people to change.
But most importantly, my friends, love yourselves.